By looking at the graph of the S&P 500, we can see that historically, the stock markets keep going up. If we zoom in, we can see that since mid-2009, a bull market has started and the S&P kept going up to date. Certain stocks outperform others. Now, if we look at Amazon, we can see that it follows the same path as the S&P 500. Now, if you have invested $1,000 in mid-2009 and have closed your position recently in late September or early October, you would have made $25,000 on your initial investment. Now, this big move was not leveraged. If you've leveraged your position 5 times, you would have made $125,000. Would it have been possible to make a similar return in a shorter amount of time? The answer is maybe yes. But for that to happen, you would have had to risk a large sum of money and your chances of success would have been tiny, since a very small move to the down would have wiped you out and closed you out of your position. In order to invest money in the stock market and stay consistently profitable, you'll have to acquire some essential skills. On top of all, you need to be patient and control your psychology. This will take a good 1 to 3 years depending on how much time you will invest and how willing are you to succeed. Nonetheless, you'll have to move through many ups and downs to reach that point. The question here is, how could I have predicted that Amazon would go up for 8 to 10 years in a row? And this is where fundamental company analysis and trading knowledge comes in. Successful and consistently profitable traders are those who predict the future by reading publicly available information and utilizing that knowledge to make money. In this video series, this is exactly what I will be teaching you to do. Trading stocks based on the news is plain wrong and will cost you money. You might also ask, will I need sophisticated tools to be a successful trader? And the answer is no. All you need is to know how to read the right publicly available free resources on the internet and have access to an Excel sheet to perform some analysis. This is all it takes. One important thing to have in mind is that ideas are different from actual positions. You might generate a good trade idea, it might even be a great one, and could generate hefty returns. But that doesn't mean go on and implement it right away. You will need to monitor your ideas and execute them at the right time in order to make good returns and avoid hitting stop losses. The worst thing to see is getting into a position too quickly and being stopped out, and then to see your ideas starting to work. I will teach you about idea generation and timing in subsequent videos. Now, what I mean is that if you have generated a trade idea right here by analyzing some fundamental indicators, and the idea would be that the stock market will be going up. So if you have moved in around here, you would have been facing this move to the down and you would have been stopped out. And then your idea would have become a reality, and other traders who have been patient and educated well would have made very good returns from these moves. Paul Tudor Jones says that the secret to being successful from a trading perspective is to have an indefatigable and undying and unquenchable thirst for information and knowledge. With this video, we have concluded the introduction of the course. The next chapter we will be starting will concern key concepts, which will comprise 4 to 5 videos. In the next video, I'll teach you the necessary terminologies, the correct interpretations of them, as taught by professional traders, and we will create the foundation for the future videos. These terminologies are crucial and need to be memorized so that you distinguish different terms used by traders and TV programs. Your support is always appreciated. Please like the content if you find it helpful and share it among your friends. Your opinion matters a lot, so please provide your suggestions and feedback in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video.